Hey! What the fuck, Annie?
Alexandra, guess what?
You better tell him it was one of my friends.
Alexandra, we just ruined her entire middle school experience.
Nah, because most of my friends are not perverted.
Oh, now we just learned that she's perverted.
I love that fucking shit. It's so erotic. I was about to put it's so erotic.
What the fuck, Annie?
It's so erotic.
I don't judge you.
Alexandra, my inner god.
It's so erotic. Like my inner goddess. Oh my god, can I please, I won't do anymore. I promise. Give me, please. Please, just one time. Please, I promise I won't do anymore. Give me.
What the hell?
Oh well, it's so erotic. Just like my inner goddess.
Don't send it! No! Oh my god, you sent it!
I know! Stop!
Send it before it's too late.
Send it! No! Alex!
I like dick.
Alex! You want to say it? You're like...
I said it!
You stupid. Oh my god!
What the fuck did I do to you, you whore? My leg. Fucking hell, you deserved it.
Fuck your face!
Oh,
we're getting
gladly.
We're getting it from two angles.
Eat pussy, bitch! Oh my god, can I tell him to eat pussy?
No! Why would I tell him that, you dipshit?
Because you're lesbian.
Does he like pussy? Is he gay?
lesbian.
Is he gay?
No, he had 13 fucking girlfriends.
Okay.
He had 3 in high school. Yeah, this one got me too.
Wait, he's in high school? No. She just said he had 3 girlfriends in high school.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so he dated 3 people in high school that were in high school. Oh, so he's not in high school. That's fucking disgusting.
Ew. You're gonna put it in your bra.
Ew, I'm not fetching in those tiny ass titties.
They're normal size for my
They're not normal size, honey. No, they're not, because I know a girl that was in the 6th grade that had a 40D already. So no, that's not normal size. That's fucking tiny ratchet shit.
Fine, I'll be tiny ratchet shit as long as I don't get big ass chucks when I'm 6 and they're the size of my ankles. Okay? Jesus fucking Christ.
The size of your ankles is better than nothing.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking
Hey,
god.
the size of an ankle.
First off, I know a lady. She's like in her 30s and she has them up to her stomach, and that is just nasty.
She's sagging.
Oh, she's definitely sagging.
No, but
There's
like,
no gravity holding them bounce balls anymore.
wait. If they're the size of your ankle, there will be at least like a B or something. That's better than an A.
No, actually, they would be like a triple Z or something.
The size of your ankle?
Up to your ankle.
Oh no, she's not the size.
Oh,
Of
the size of my.
Lena.
Oh, the size of your ankle. That's
Come
disgusting.
here.
That'd be that'd be a negative double A.
Say bye.
Fuck your fucking face up. I hope you get a male prostitute. And I hope he has STDs. And
I hope he doesn't have AIDS, so Anna can live a free life without sexual transmitted diseases.
I hope he has fucking herpes. And I hope he's taking his mouth.
You want her to have genital warts on her vagina, bro?
Lena, stop telling your fantasies to the public.
What?
Just because you say Annie instead of myself doesn't mean it's not yours.
What the hell?
Lena, say bye-bye.